swerving in and out of multiple vehicles. It's continuing southbound, passing 16. No, go. He's holding something out the window.
Looks like a phone.
Pull in behind him.
Back down. It looks like he's continuing eastbound on Mill, Italy through the parking lot. Coming eastbound on Mill, Italy through the hospital parking lot. Westbound, Bell passing, we're down again. Hey, westbound, Same to the 4 Altico Radio. We are heading southbound on Kerman from Mill Street. Southbound Kerman from Mill.
240's got lead.
Heading eastbound highway. 30 to 60. We are now heading westbound on Mill again. Students are hoping. He's calling into the renowned emergency.
God, I don't like that this is right here. There's a lot of fucking people. Get ready. Nope.
Please come back around emergency.
Get ready. Verbals, keep your hands where I can see them. Keep your hands where I can see them, or else I will shoot you. Come out or the dog will bite you. Do you understand? Keep your hands where I can see them. Shots fired. Here no police, do not move. Here no police, do not move. I see the gun. Where? It's right on his left hand, right on the hole. Alright, I need gloves. Alright. Careful. I got you covered. Can we get the keys out? Fucking fingers in the gun. Yep. It's in my right hand. There's whose hands? Fucking. It's on my side. On my side. Go. Give it up.
Come in and push up against the back side.
Alright, go.
Your man, cock's up here.
Hold us.